Welcome to Module 10 of our Advanced Digital Marketing course. In this lesson, we'll explore on content strategy and planning. A well-defined content strategy ensures that your content is aligned with business goals, audience needs, and digital marketing best practices. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the fundamentals of content strategy and its importance, how to conduct audience research for effective content planning, the key elements of a successful content strategy, how to develop and implement a content calendar, best practices for content optimization and distribution, tools for planning, tracking, and optimizing content performance. 1. What is content strategy and why does it matter? Content strategy is the systematic planning, creation, distribution, and governance of content to achieve specific business objectives. It helps businesses attract, engage, and convert their audience while maintaining consistency across all platforms. Benefits of a strong content strategy. Heavy checkmark builds trust and brand authority. Heavy checkmark increases organic reach and website traffic. Heavy checkmark aligns content with customer needs and business goals. Heavy checkmark improves audience engagement and retention. Heavy checkmark enhances lead generation and conversion rates. Example: Coca-Cola's Content 2020 strategy shifted from traditional advertising to a story-driven content approach, resulting in higher engagement and customer loyalty. 2. Understanding your audience for effective content planning. Before creating content, you need to understand your audience deeply. Step 1. Create buyer personas. Buyer personas represent your ideal customers based on data, demographics, behavior, and pain points. How to build buyer personas. Conduct surveys and interviews. Analyze website analytics, Google Analytics, Hotjar. Study social media insights, Facebook audience insights, LinkedIn analytics. Use customer feedback and sales team input. Step 2. Conduct market and competitor research. Use SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Google Trends to analyze industry trends. Identify competitor content gaps and opportunities. Monitor customer discussions on forums like Quora and Reddit. 3. Key elements of a successful content strategy. A well-structured content strategy includes the following components. 1. Goal setting, SMART goals. Define content goals using the SMART framework. Specific: increase website traffic by 30% in 6 months. Measurable: track performance using Google Analytics. Achievable: develop a content calendar for weekly posts. Relevant: align with business objectives. Time-bound: set a clear deadline for goals. 2. Content pillars and topics. Identify core themes based on audience interests and industry trends. Example: a fitness brand might focus on workout routines, healthy diets, and mental wellness as content pillars. 3. Keyword research and SEO optimization. Use Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and Ahrefs for keyword research. Optimize titles, meta descriptions, headers, and images for SEO. Implement internal linking strategies for better ranking. 4. Developing and implementing a content calendar. A content calendar helps organize content publication and maintain consistency. How to create a content calendar. Use tools like Trello, Asana, or Notion for planning. Schedule posts based on audience activity. Use Facebook Insights, Google Analytics. Mix content types, blogs, videos, infographics, podcasts. Set deadlines for content creation, editing, and publishing. Example calendar structure.
Date.
Content type.
Topic. Platform.
Status. March 5th.
Blog.
Top 10 SEO trends. Website. In progress. March 7th. Video. How to use LinkedIn for business. YouTube.
Published.
March 10th. Social media post. Engaging Instagram stories.
Instagram.
Scheduled. 5. Best practices for content optimization and distribution. Content optimization techniques. Write engaging headlines. Co-schedule headline analyzer. Optimize readability using Hemingway Editor and Grammarly. Ensure mobile-friendly and responsive content. Use A/B testing for subject lines and CTA buttons. Content distribution strategies. Repurpose blog content into videos, infographics, and social media posts. Share content across multiple channels: email, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. Leverage paid promotions: Google Ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads. Collaborate with influencers and industry experts for wider reach. Case study: HubSpot uses a mix of blog content, webinars, and email marketing to attract, nurture, and convert leads effectively. 6. Measuring content performance and optimization. Tracking performance ensures continuous improvement. Key metrics to track: pushpin traffic and engagement, page views, bounce rate, average time on page, pushpin SEO performance, keyword ranking, backlinks, domain authority, pushpin conversion rates, leads generated, CTA clicks, form submissions, pushpin social media metrics, shares, comments, follower growth. Best tools for content performance tracking. Heavy checkmark Google Analytics, website traffic and user behavior. Heavy checkmark SEMrush and Ahrefs, SEO and keyword tracking. Heavy checkmark HubSpot, lead tracking and content automation. Heavy checkmark Hootsuite and Buffer, social media analytics. 7. Practical exercise and assessment. Task: develop a buyer persona for a brand of your choice. Create a 1-month content calendar for a marketing campaign. Write a blog post optimized for SEO, 500 words minimum. Design a content distribution plan for social media channels. Quiz: multiple choice and short answer. What are the core elements of a content strategy? How can a content calendar improve marketing efficiency? Name 2 tools for content performance tracking. 8. Conclusion and next steps. Congratulations! You now understand content strategy and planning and how to build a structured approach to content marketing.